good day. We're out and about today. We're in a place called
Sirmione?
Sirmione.
Something like that.
Which is on the one of the ends of Lake Garda. And it is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, the lake behind us. And yeah, pretty impressive little place. Right, we'll show you around.
It's very busy.
It's bonkers again, isn't it?
It's Friday, so heaven knows what it's like on the weekend.
Yeah, so, okay, we'll turn you around and we'll
yeah, show you around. Get lost. Straight down.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Look how clear the water is. Beautiful. Isn't it? Right, okay. It's after yesterday's rain, the sun's come out and it's all very nice.
There's loads more rain yesterday.
Oh. Yeah, it was pretty rough, wasn't it?
Now and then you get a waft of a lovely plant.
You do. We just stopped something to eat at this little restaurant here. We tried one of these little spritz. These drinks that are really, you can see on the table there, vibrant orange. Yeah, it's that. We've no idea what's in it, but it's got some sort of alcohol. Hasn't it?
Yes, it tasted very cidery for me.
A gelata or geletta?
Yes, every other shop gives me nice.
Yeah. Yeah, lots of little streeties. It's a bit like
a bit like Venice.
Yeah.
And a bit like where else did we say?
Cornwall.
Yeah, Cornwall, little tiny streets, but there's a lot more of them.
Yeah.
This is much bigger than anywhere I've seen.
And it's full of people. Yeah. Yeah, we'll just show you the look. We'll just sort of have a walk down here. Oh, hello. Wow. Hello. That's ice cream isn't it?
Ice cream on a whole new level.
Oh yeah. Oh, something going on here. We'll have a look. No, we didn't. No. Cake soup. Oh my jeepers creepers. That looks nice. Now you're talking, cake.
Oh, I like the look of the lemony ones.
Yeah. We should have come here. Yeah, well, it doesn't matter. Oh, it's a bit of a jetty look. Yeah. It's a very nice area, isn't it?
It is.
Pardon? There's lots and lots of tours, isn't there?
Sorry?
Lots and lots of tours.
Yes, boat tours and walking tours.
And
kids everywhere.
yeah.
These do like school trips maybe?
Yeah, probably. So some goose?
Pretty.
Yeah? I don't know. Some of your time is what they are. Yeah. Let's go down to the end. Oh no, they're departures. We don't want a departure, do we? It's a bit bonkers, as always. Lots of big boats. Isn't there? Clear water. Oh, that's clever. Get your feet wet.
Yeah. feet wet today.
No, we're not. We've got a cycle ride back, haven't we?
Yes. Took us about 30 to 40 minutes to cycle here from the campsite.
Yeah, but to be fair,
we did get lost, and I'm not really on the bike, so we went very slow.
we did lots of stop-ins.
Consult the maps, consult the diagrams. We're not sure we came the most direct route.
No.
That's the best way to put it.
As per normal. It's all very nice, isn't it?
Very nice.
So, if you fancy coming to this end of the world, it's very nice. Life's a beach.
Sirmione or Sirmione or something like that. I'm not sure how you pronounce
No,
it.
it doesn't matter, does it?
No.
You pronounce it how you want to. So, completely up to you. If they don't like it, they can. We're going to have an ice cream.
We are going to have an ice cream, and I might have a tub with a couple of ice creams in.
Oh, are you?
I might well do.
Oh, right. For the bike fans out there, don't colour.
What's that colour?
Crisps.
Well, I know they're crisps.
Yeah, they used to sponsor. I'll tell you in a minute.
Yeah.
Here's the castle. Maintenance. Where do you want your ice cream? Well, you see an ice cream place and we'll stop.
Everywhere.
Yeah, so there's a castle. Isn't it?
It's not the same square tops as we have on ours.
No. Lots of tours. How much did you say it was to get into the castle?
I can't remember now.
Is it €10?
€10, I think. For the, I don't know if it's that one. Yeah, it's the same one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So there you go. That's the little.
I think it was 10.
Yeah.
5 for kids.
Nice. Very nice. Isn't it?
Yes.
Have you seen their title?
That flipping spritz or whatever has gone right to my flipping head. I don't think it was the beer. So. Oh, look, DT 52142. Did we see any ice cream vendors down here? We didn't, you know.
Did we not? Not
No.
send. Oh, so it needs to be back
In there.
Oh.
Well, this is a bit more of the lake. We've just been down there. Susie's got her ice cream up.
Just finishing it.
Yeah, very, very nice. Okay, folks, that's
Sirmione? Something like that.
Something like that. Spot on place, really like it. Is it worth coming? Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
definitely.
definitely coming.
It's lovely.
If you like ice cream, you'll be in heaven. So, thanks.
Lovely little roads.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
See you again soon.
Yeah.
Say bye, Susie.
Bye, Susan.
Bye. Bye, see ya.